Hi, I'm Brad Laird. This is my son Josh, and we're going to teach you how to play guitar. Today, we're going to be talking about keys. And a common question that we get as teachers is, what does key mean? And when someone says this song is in the key of A minor, what does that mean? Now, every song that you've ever heard is in a certain key. It's in a major key or it's a minor key. And what that means is the majority of the information in that song came from that scale. So that's why it's very important to know what the scales are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scale. Now we talked about G major, which is this. Now what that means is each one of those notes is going to be made into a chord that is in that key. So in the key of G major, we're going to have a G chord, we're going to have an A chord, a B, a C, a D, an E, an F sharp, and a G. Now even though it's a major key and it's a major scale, not each chord is a major chord. Now there's a sequence that you'd have to memorize. This is called the diatonic formula, which is a 7-note sequence. Now it goes like this: major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, and major. So that is the value of those notes once I make them into chords. Now you'll hear the scale move as I play the chords. Okay? Now, the cool thing about this is each one of these has a number assigned to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, it's up to you as the artist to determine the arrangement of those chords or which ones you wanted to use. If somehow we could take all the music in the world and put it into a supercomputer and say, what is the most common thing that happens in music? It would tell you this: 1, 4, and 5. That's the most common chord change in all of music. Now, if I make those into chords, how many songs have you heard that does that? So that's the most common, but you could use any ones you want to. I could just randomly say I'm going to go 1, 6, 4, 5. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, and 5. And then you could interpret that however you wanted to. Okay? Now the same thing is going to be true of a minor scale, right, Josh?
Well, let's pick a minor key. Let's try A minor. Like you said, there's an order, but now that we're in a minor, it's a little different. See, we'll go with A, which would be your first one, minor, diminished, major, minor, minor, major, major, octave, which would be your minor. And the same thing, you play it in chords. And then it's up to you as an artist to interpret the order you want it to go to. Let's try 1, 4, 5. With that, you can start to write your own songs in a major or a minor key. If you have any questions, please visit us at bradandjosh@randomaxmusic.tv.
Buy a guitar, start playing, start writing. You can do it.